We've all seen this situation. Nice bathroom, shame about that moldy silicone and the problems caused when that silicone starts to leak, usually unseen and causing all sorts of damage to walls, floors, and ceilings below. Fitting TeleSeal is straightforward. You just measure the wall lengths around your bath or shower tray and cut the seal to suit those lengths. TeleSeal10 is supply pre-mitered at both ends for ease of installation. Following the instructions, separate each TeleSeal length into its 3 strips, then join the corners using the push and tab supplied in the corner and ends pack. Apply the corner adhesive and slide the tab into its locating slot. Repeat on the adjoining strip to complete the corner. This same process is used on the foot section. Here you can see the completed corner. To fit TeleSeal10 to a new bathroom, first ensure the wall fixing surface is straight and sound. TeleSeal10 can be fixed to the wall using either tile adhesive or the specially formulated sealing adhesive supplied. Place the assembled gray strips into the chosen adhesive. Adhesive is then applied to the bath or shower rim. Affix the assembled foot section and remove the blue tape to secure TeleSeal10 in place while the adhesive sets. Clip the remaining strip onto the gray strip and use the solvent adhesive to seal the mitered corner joints. To close the open ends, fit the 2-part telescopic end caps to finish the installation. Tile the wall as normal, resting the bottom edge of the tiles on TeleSeal, and fill the gap between the top of TeleSeal10 and the tiles using the sealing adhesive.